In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Bitcoin to MetaMask wallet. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make in MetaMask portfolio, and I'll add a few tips along the way so everything feels clear and predictable. First, head to the official MetaMask portfolio website at Portfolio MetaMask.io. Give the page a moment to load and make sure you see the familiar MetaMask branding and a secure connection in your browser. The portfolio view is the hub that brings together your accounts, balances, and on-ramp options in one place, which is why we're starting here. Next, look for the Move Crypto button near the top of the interface and click it. This is the central doorway for transferring value in or out of your wallet, and it also routes you to the options for bringing in fresh funds. If you ever feel unsure about where to begin, Move Crypto is usually the right entry point. Inside that menu, choose Buy. This opens MetaMask's buy flow, where reputable payment providers offer quotes for purchasing crypto with methods like cards or bank transfers, depending on your region. Think of it as a comparison window that helps you source Bitcoin at the rate and payment method that work best for you. Now, click Currency. By default, the buy builder may show another asset, so this is where you explicitly tell MetaMask you want Bitcoin. Selecting the right currency here is important because it determines the asset the providers will quote and deliver. From the currency list, select Bitcoin. It's easy to spot by the BTC ticker and the classic orange logo. Choosing Bitcoin here ensures the quotes you receive are for the native BTC asset. Take a second to confirm you've picked BTC and not a similarly named token, as that simple check helps you avoid surprise outcomes. Finally, click Buy. MetaMask will pull in available quotes for Bitcoin based on your location and payment preferences. You'll see provider options, fees, and estimated delivery details. This is your moment to review the total cost, confirm the destination shown in the interface, and proceed with the option that suits you. If a provider needs additional verification, you'll be guided right on screen. Just follow the prompts that appear in the same flow. And that's it. You went to MetaMask Portfolio, chose Move Crypto, selected Buy, set the currency to Bitcoin, and clicked Buy to generate quotes and complete your purchase. Double check the asset and amounts before confirming, keep an eye on fees, and you'll be set to add Bitcoin through MetaMask's trusted buy partners with confidence.